Hello friends, today we'll study about the esterification. So esterification, it comes under the topic reactions of alcohol and phenols. So what happens that when alcohol and phenols are reacted with acid carboxylic acid or acid anhydride or acid chloride, then esters are produced. So this is known as esterification. Now, when the alcohol or phenol, this AR represent the aryl group, like aromatic ring in case of phenol, benzene ring. So when alcohol or phenol react with carboxylic acid, then ester is formed. So here it is a reversible reaction. Acid is added. Acid is added, and this reaction produces water also. So as soon as the water is formed, so water is separated out, okay, and so that the reaction move forward in the forward direction. This is the ester. If aryl group is there, then aryl group gets attached to the ester, and if alkyl group is there, then the ester formed with the alkyl group. Next is when alcohol or phenol reacts with acid anhydride. Acid anhydride, what is that? RCO whole twice with oxygen. So this is the formula for acid anhydride. Here R dash represents the alkyl group. So it also forms ester, ROCOR dash, and acid. So this reaction also occurs in the presence of acid, because the water formed in this reaction should be separated out. So it occurs in the presence of acid. This is also a reversible reaction. Then if alcohol or phenol reacts with acid chloride, so acid chloride has formula RCOCl, R dash COCl. So R dash represents the alkyl, and it produces the ester, corresponding ester, and HCl, hydrochloric acid. So pyridine is added in this reaction, because pyridine is a base and it consumes the acid HCl, and therefore when the product is removed, the byproduct is removed, the reaction moves forward. So that's why pyridine is added here. So these were the three reactions, common reaction for forming the ester by the reactants alcohol and phenol, and the other reactant are carboxylic acid, acid anhydride, and acid chloride. Now we come to the acetylation. What is acetylation? So when CH3CO group is acid, CH3CO group is known as acetyl group. When this is added to alcohol or phenol, then this is known as acetylation. So one of the example of acetylation reaction is this reaction, the last one. So here this is salicylic acid, this molecule, and the IUPAC name of this is 2-hydroxy benzoic acid, because at second position hydroxy is there, and this is benzoic acid, benzene group and COH attached. So 2-hydroxy benzoic acid, when it reacts with acid anhydride, which is CH3CO whole twice O. So this is acid anhydride or acetyl anhydride molecule. It reacts in the presence of H plus, that is acid, and it forms aspirin. So aspirin is what is the IUPAC name of this molecule? 2-acetoxy benzoic acid. This is acetoxy group, and this is CH3CO group. So CH3CO group is added to the alcohol, so therefore this is acetylation, and this is also esterification because this is alcohol molecule and this is what, acid anhydride. So now what is happening, so this is aspirin formed and CH3COOH is removed as a byproduct. So this is acetylation. Another name, common name for this molecule is what? This is salicylic acid. So this is acetoxysalicylic acid. Okay. So this was about the reactions of alcohol and phenols in terms of esterification. I hope you got this topic. Thank you.